Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning your phone into the Wi-Fi source. Make sure you have a working cellular data plan and strong signal. This is the only internet pipe now. Once done, enable the mobile hotspot or personal hotspot feature and create a clear SSID and password you will remember. Make sure battery is healthy or plug into a charger so the hotspot stays up. This step gets you from zero network to a discoverable wireless access point quickly. Now connect your target device to that hotspot. On the device, scan available networks, pick the SSID you set, and type the password. This establishes the link. If you need longer range, choose 4 GHz, but select 5 GHz for faster throughput when in range. If the device lacks Wi-Fi, switch to USB tethering from the phone or plug in a USB Wi-Fi adapter. Those options convert your hotspot into a finish by hardening and optimizing the connection. Set WPA2 or WPA3, change the default SSID, and limit clients to preserve speed. Monitor cellular data so you don't blow a cap. If you expect heavy use, get a tethering-friendly plan. Once done, test speeds and move the phone to improve signal. If something goes wrong, restart the phone, toggle the hotspot off and on, and rejoin the network. This simple reset solves most connectivity and IP assignment problems.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.